Alright, so we are going to begin in our Queen's Indian unit to challenge other players to classical games. And this is also a tutorial just in general for how to do that. So we're going to hit play with a friend, okay? We are going to choose a time control. So for our purposes, this would be, we do standard, because unlimited is a type of correspondence chess. You could choose correspondence chess, choose how many games you want per turn. We're going with real time. So we're going to do our time control of, we get there, 30 minutes and 0 seconds. You can also choose if you're casual rated, or if you play white, if you play black, or if you could play either. It doesn't matter to you. So I want to say I'm going to play casual, and I'm going to be a random side. So you can either send your friend, say through like Discord or an email or something else. You could copy this link, just send it to them, and then they'll come and they'll play with you. Or you can invite someone. So say if I wanted to invite this guy, I'd challenge him. On his screen, a little thing would pop up in the top right corner. Looks like 2 swords, and we'll have a little 1 on the top. And if you click on that, they can hit a check mark. They will play. Okay? Now, for the purpose of this, I am not going to actually play a classical game because that would take forever. I'm just going to avoid. Alright. And, yes. Okay, now if that's not really what you're looking for, you want to make it so someone challenge you in the lobby because you had an unusual time control. You'd hit create a game, go through the same process, and your thing would show up right over here. Now, if you wanted to play with the computer, you'd play with the computer. You could choose your time control, and then pick your side, your strength, and your variant. And that is it for how to use the lobby and create a game.